In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icon of your Ikemen window. What I mean by this is the little icon that normally shows up on your Ikemen games. So for example, as you can see here, we have this yellow MK Dragon icon. So I'm going to change this into this purple Ultimate MK3 icon. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the video. So just open your game folder, go and find the external folder, then get inside icons folder, and you will notice that you have 3 images inside here. So in my case, I have my current Ultimate MK project icon, which I'm going to change into the original Ultimate MK3 icon. So one thing you need to notice is all these images have similar names, but at the end there's a different number for each. For here we have Ikemen Celia _48. The next one is Ikemen Celia _96 and Ikemen Celia _256. These are very vital and they are required to be named specifically in this manner for this to actually work. So do not change the namings of this. So I'm just going to cut the images and paste them to my desktop, and then have my Ultimate MK3 icon inside the external folder. So what we normally have to do is duplicate this image 2 times, and then make sure the naming is exactly the same. As we had stated before, that it is required to have the exact same names that were in the previous images. So the first one is 48, Ikemen Celia 48. The next one is Ikemen Celia 96. And the third one is Ikemen Celia 256. So once you're done naming your images exactly as they were in the default images, now when you test your game, you will notice that it will have the Ultimate MK3 icon. So as you can see here, the icon has changed. So it's pretty much that simple. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, you can find me on Patreon, become a Patreon, and there you will learn a lot of in-depth skills regarding to Mugen and Ikemen. For example, coding tutorials, etc, etc. Just hop on board, check out my content, and I'll see you in another video.